Good morning, everyone. Joe and I are here at Walt Disney World, and we are heading out to the parks this morning. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notifications so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest.
Dinosaur! Hey, put your back into it to the dinosaur! Put a shot to the dinosaur!
That one did a flip. Oh, okay, you guys are you love your name? Oh, really? Okay. Flip, flip.
Joe and I are having lunch at the quick service Yak and Yeti. I got the tempura shrimp. Actually, we both did. Got the tempura shrimp and a bottle of water, and I put the receipt in my pocket. So let me look and see how much that was. $35.43. The two shrimp was $29.98 for both of them, and $3.50 for the water. So $35.43. You want to go ahead and give yours a test drive, Joe?
So it comes with a sweet and sour sauce.
Okay.
That one is really good. Nice crunchy.
Okay, good.
Sweet and sour sauce. And you can kind of pineapple apricot base.
Okay.
And then we have sticky rice.
I love sticky rice.
Yeah, I always like to put on top of mine. That's what I'm going to do.
I prefer to put sugar on mine, but they never have it here.
Since we soy sauce, they have the even on low sodium soy sauce, so that's kind of nicer, so it's not quite a salt lick.
Sure. So I'm going to give mine a try now. I actually tried the sticky rice. It's super good. We kind of obsess on Yak and Yeti. I love Asian food. Super, super good. Love that sticky rice. And this tempura shrimp, there's quite a few. $14.99 a piece. I think that's right. I mean, yeah, duh.
Yeah, I think our two favorite places in the Animal Kingdom is probably Yak and Yeti and Rainforest.
Yak and Yeti 1 and Yak and Yeti 2 and Rainforest. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and give this shrimp a try. Super good coating. Really, really delicious. I like the sweet and sour. It's got a nice tang to it. It's really good. I usually get the honey sesame chicken. And I almost did this time. But then I thought, that shrimp sounds good. I'm going to get that. I'm glad I got it. This is pretty amazing. Yak and Yeti. This is the quick service Yak and Yeti here at Animal Kingdom Park. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Also, please check out some of our other great videos we have on the Disney parks, the rides, resorts, resort rooms, Skyliner rides, horror shows, so many great videos I think you're going to love. Thank you so much for watching.